So the next distribution that we're going to be looking at is a t-distribution. And the t-distribution is very similar to our normal distribution. As you can see, it also has a bell-shaped curve. The area under the curve equals to 1. The curve extends indefinitely in both directions. The curve is symmetric about 0. The only, and the shape of the curve depends on the number in the sample n. Okay, so that's actually the difference between the t-distribution and the normal distribution. The shape of the normal distribution depends on the mean and the standard deviation. The shape of the t-distribution depends on the sample size, which is closely related to the degree of freedom. So basically, degree of freedom, DF for short, is n sample size minus 1. So here we have some graphs. So here the mustard orange is the curve with 10 degrees of freedom, meaning the sample size was 11. The green one is 2 degrees of freedom, meaning the sample size was 3. And the purple one is T with 1 degree of freedom, and the green one is actually our standard normal distribution. And we're going to say as T gets larger and larger, its shape approaches the standard normal distribution. And because the shape of this distribution depends on the degree of freedom is called a parameter of the distribution. So here we have the distribution, the X that follows the t-distribution with degree of freedom 7. Let's find the probability that t is less than 2.54. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use StatCrunch to calculate those probabilities. We're also going to find the t with the area to the right is 0.05. And we're also gonna look at the distribution with degree of freedom 11 and find t that corresponds to alpha 0.01. Let's do that.